Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw King Kong vs. Warbat from the new Godzilla vs. Kong movie. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. So here is my sketch of Kong vs. Warbat. I actually drew this whole thing out before, and it looked like this, turned out really good, but for some reason, it did not record very well. So I had to re-sketch this out. So I'm going to redraw this, and I'll use this one for the coloring part, because the coloring video actually saved. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with Kong. You're going to want to start not in about the middle, but you're going to want to go up a little bit, and we're going to start the eye. So I'm just going to make a little check mark shape that goes down and then up for the eye. Right under here, we're going to make a little line that goes down and up to form the eye. And right over here, we're going to make a little curved line like this. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go over and then up. And right here by this curve, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come up for his nose. Now, starting over here, we're going to make lines going to go up, and it's going to come down a little bit, kind of form where his eyebrow ridge is. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down to here, right about where his nose is. We'll add a little line underneath his eye, with a little line that's going to come down here. Starting here, we'll make a little line that's going to come down for his mouth. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go over. It's going to come down, and then it's going to come right over here to form his mouth. Right inside of here, let's add the teeth. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up for one of the fangs. And then we'll add a couple smaller teeth. And a bigger one right here for a bigger fang. Down here, I'm going to make lines going to go up and down, and then I'll put a couple small teeth with another fang right here. Then we'll add a couple little teeth here, and a couple more up here. Now, right inside the mouth, we're going to make lines going to go up and down, and then one more that's going to go up and then down here for the tongue. Then I'll add a little line that's going to come down. And we'll add a couple more little teeth over here. Now, starting here, we're going to make lines going to go out, and then it's going to come down. Then right here, we'll make lines going to go down. It's going to angle over. And it's going to curve around here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go over and it's going to come up right there to the jaw. Now we're going to start kind of right by the face. We're going to come over. We're going to make a little line and that's going to come down. I'm going to put a few points on it to make it look like it's got some hair there. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to go up and then down here for the ear. We'll put a little line in there. Now for the head, we're going to start up here, and we're just going to make some little lines that are just going to be a little bit pointy as they come back. And they're just going to kind of go straight down. Now right here, we want to add one of the kind of like parts of the body of Warbat as it's wrapping around Kong. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start right here. We're going to go just leave a little bit of space. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And it's going to go down right to about where his chin is. And we'll just draw right along his chin and make a little line over. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line. It's going to come down, it's going to get big, and that's going to come right up here to right about where his lip is. So we're just going to come down. We're going to make it nice and big, and then we're going to come up to here. Now, starting here where we made this line, let's make a line that's going to go up and down for his bicep. And then starting at the top of the bicep, let's draw a line that's going to come up and it's going to curve to here, almost like an S shape. Then we'll make another one that's just going to come down and then it's going to come over to here like another S shape. Now let's make his hand. We're going to start by making a line that's going to come up and then it's going to go down. We'll go in and then we'll curl it around here. Then we'll make a line that goes up and then another little line here. Over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down. It's going to go in and then connect right to here for another finger. We'll do another one here. It's going to go up, down, and then it's going to come in and connect. Next, we're going to add one more here. It's going to go over, down, and then connect to here. Starting right here at about this third finger, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up for the thumb. The little line that's going to curve around. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down here. Now let's draw the rest of Kong's arm. I'm going to start here. We're just going to make a little line that's going to come down. I'm going to make some little pointy lines on here to make it look like it's got a lot of hair. And then we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to draw this line over here to form his arm. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here. Now, starting right up here, what we're going to do is we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to touch this line, and then it's going to curve down. So we're just going to go down, and we're going to curve to here. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to come down to here. Now, starting here, let's make a line that goes out and then down. And this time we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and then it's going to curl up to here. Now, starting at this one first, we'll make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come right up to here. Then we'll make a little line that's just going to come up and then down here. Right here, I'm going to make a couple little zigzag lines down for part of his fur. And then we'll make a couple more coming down here too. And then we'll just make a little zigzag line up here. Now, jumping back up here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to start at the bottom. It's going to go up, it's going to come out, come to a point, and then back here to the hand. Next, I'm going to start right up here, and we want to make Warbat's face. So I'm going to kind of line this up with his eyes. He's going to be a little bit higher than Kong. So I'm going to start right up here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down and then back like a check mark. Then I'll make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up here for the eye. We'll add a little line here, and then another little one right here. Just for a little detail. Right above this check mark, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down. Then we'll make another one that goes out and down, and then a smaller one that goes out and down for a little bit of texture. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come in just a bit, form the nose. We'll make another line up here that's going to go up and down for the other nostril. Right here, let's make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and it's going to come all the way back here. He's got a really big mouth. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go over to here. Next, we'll make a line that's going to come down and up, and then one more that goes down and up. He's got like these two little points on the bottom of his chin. Then we're going to take this up, and we're going to go in like this. And then we're going to make another line that's going to go over and then up. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. Now I want to add his teeth right here. So we're just going to make some little sharp pointy teeth all the way to the back here. Right about here, we're going to make a big tooth that goes up and down. Then we'll add a few smaller ones, and then we'll put another big one right here, with a couple more little pointy teeth here. Now up here we want to add the tongue. So let's make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and then it's going to come back. We'll jump over the teeth and come right to here. Then let's make another little line that comes down here, and then it's going to go right to here. Now right about here we want to add Kong's thumb. So we're going to make a little line that's going to come out, and it's going to come over like this. Then starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then we're going to start here. We're going to draw this line all the way down towards the body. Now we're going to start back here on Kong, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to come up and down a little bit for part of his arm. And then another one that's going to do the same thing will go right about to the mouth. Then we'll make a little line that's just going to come down. And then it's going to come up here, make it kind of zigzaggy. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then down. Another one here, and then one more right to here. Now once we get to here, I'm going to draw a line that goes right off to the paper. I'm going to curl this around, and we're going to come up to here. We'll do another one here. I'm going to start at the edge of the paper. I'm going to go down. It's going to curve around and then back up. I'll do another one right here. We'll add one here. One more here. We're going to add one right here. We're just going to go up and then come back down. Now this one, we'll add the little curve, and we're going to go down. We're going to come to a point, and then we're going to make it come all the way back up here so it's nice and skinny. And we'll do one more here. We'll add a little curve. We're just going to come down and come to a point and then back up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line to connect all these, and we're just going to jump over each one of these. So I'm just going to come all the way through here. And when we get to the end here, we're just going to bring it right to about here. Now I want to add some more on this side. So we're going to start right up here above the head. We're going to make a line that's going to come out. It's going to come to a point, and it's going to come back nice and skinny. We'll add another one here. It goes out, and then it's going to come back. And we'll add one more over here. It's going to go out, and it's going to come back. It'll kind of go right past the mouth here. Next, I'm going to connect these with a little line that's going to curve in. And we're just going to connect each one of these little parts of his wing. And then down here, we're just going to start here. We'll just go down. We'll come up and then down. Another one's going to go up and then right off the paper. Now starting here, I'm going to add a couple quick little lines for like some wrinkles. And then right here, we're just going to make a long kind of broken line that comes down here, just to show some detail. Next, right along here, we're just going to add some quick little kind of broken little lines here just for some little parts of Warbat's body. Right along here, we'll make another line that's just going to go down and then come up. Another one's going to come up and down. We'll do another one up here. And then we'll just make a little line that comes right up to here. Then I'm just going to add just a couple little kind of broken little lines on here just to show some detail, kind of how the body is twisting around. I'm just going to kind of add these all around here. We'll add some up here too. I'm going to add a couple more just right around here. And a couple more up there. We're also going to add a few of these onto the bottom of Warbat as well. Then I'm just going to add a little pupil right here on Kong. And a little kind of like snake pupil right here on Warbat. Then if you want to, you come in here, just add a couple quick little lines onto Kong. Nothing too crazy because in the coloring part, we won't see these very well. But there you go. There is your drawing of Kong versus Warbat. Now, this one's going to look a little bit different from the color one just because I redrew this one, so it's definitely going to be a little bit different. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I know this video has taken a long time, but here it finally is. So there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.